Welcome guys, and this is my tutorial on how to make bang bang shrimp. Here are a list of ingredients to help you along the way. So here I've got some large prawns that have been deshelled and deveined. We're going to add some liquid Maggi seasoning, or as an alternative you can add soy sauce. We're going to add Sriracha Hot Sauce. You can also add normal hot sauce, it doesn't matter which one it is. We've even got some onion powder, all-purpose seasoning, ground black pepper, chili powder, and finally some garlic powder. Once you've got that all mixed up, make sure you let it sit for about 30 minutes. Trust me on this one guys, this seasoning mix makes these prawns taste so delicious. Next you want to grab a bowl and put about 2 tablespoons of plain flour. I don't know why I put so much here, but just put about 2 tablespoons. This is for the wet batter. Alternatively, you can use buttermilk, but if you don't have buttermilk like I did, you can make this type of batter here. So you grab 1 egg. You want to mix the flour and the egg together. I'm making a mess. And then just gradually add some milk until the mixture is smooth. Yeah, so for those of you who don't know why I'm doing this, this is so that the prawns can stick easily to the batter when they're frying. So once you deep fry the prawns, they won't come apart when you do them. So yeah, so now I've got a cup of plain flour. I'm going to add some ground black pepper, some all-purpose seasoning, a dash more, some garlic powder, and then we're just going to mix that up. This is the dry batter, so we're going to be dipping our shrimp or prawns inside this dry batter. Make sure you coat them really well. I realized I was being way too neat with that first one, so I just grabbed the whole bunch. Just grab a whole bunch and just, you know, put it in that seasoning flour. Just make sure that they're properly coated, and then you put them to one side, ready for frying. Now this part is for the bang bang sauce. You want to grab about half a cup of mayonnaise, note to self, grab more mayonnaise. My bad, guys. Then you want to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons, maybe more, of sweet chili sauce. You could also add other stuff like paprika, chili powder, soy sauce, but I just kept it simple and I added mayonnaise and sweet chili sauce. Sorry guys, I forgot to press record for this part, but you want to heat up your oil at a medium to high heat, so probably at gas mark 4 for about 10 minutes, and then when you dip your prawns in, you want to fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes. Literally, prawns take almost no time at all to be fully cooked, so you make sure you don't overcook them. Once they're nice and golden brown, take them out, put them in a bowl, and now you're ready to put your sauce on. By the way guys, if it's looking like there was less prawns than from the start of the video, it's because I ate some after they got fried and I gave some to my mom. So here's the final result. That looks so delicious. So good guys, honestly. Please let me know if you try this. And perfectly cooked inside. And thank you for watching. See you in the next one.